Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to top up Bigo Live Diamonds. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Here, click on the Me option in the bottom right corner. Tap on Wallet option. Here, you'll just have to tap on the amount of diamonds that you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 42 diamonds, then I'll have to tap on 42 option. Now in this pop-up menu, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card option. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons, so all you have to do in this page is enter your card details. After that, you'll have to enter the amount of money that you'll have to pay. Then you'll have to check out. After the diamonds are purchased, your account balance will be upgraded and the number of diamonds will be visible. So that is how you can top up Bigo Live Diamonds. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.